Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a captivating English story for perfect English listening, relaxing and improving your language skill. This story is more than just words, it's a journey that will keep you on the edge of your seat and help you develop your natural ears for English. So grab your favorite drink, find a cozy spot and let's get started. Once upon a time, a young girl named Lily lived in a village between green hills. Lily was known for her curiosity and her love for exploring the unknown. One misty morning, she stumbled upon a hidden path she had never noticed before. As Lily walked down the mysterious path, she encountered unusual sight, flowers with the colors she had never seen, birds that sung unfamiliar tunes, and trees that whispered secrets. Each step brought her deeper into the magic world. Just Lily was beginning to feel at ease. She heard a faint voice calling her name. Lily, Lily, who could it be? Was it a friend or hidden danger? Quiz time. What is the main goal of listening to this story? To improve math skill, to learn about cooking, to improve English listening and language skills. What is Lily known for in her village? Her singing, her curiosity and love for exploring, her shyness. Where does Lily live? In a city by the sea, in a small village between green hills, in a desert town. What does Lily discover on mystery morning? A new school, a hidden path she never noticed before, strange animals. What kind of sight does Lily see on the mysterious path? Unusual flower and bird, unusual flower bird with the new song and whispering trees, people walking. Stay tuned as we explore this adventure together. This is the kind of story that only entertains but also gently immerses you in English, helping you understand and appreciate the language naturally. If you enjoy this beginning, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next chapter of Lily's journey. Until next time, we keep listening, learning and remembering. Stories are the powerful way to master English.